Ah, Jeremy, I don't know. He looked tired in that first round after like 8.
It's fun to watch an all-time great in Albert Pujols get ready to go right in front of us with a focus.
Maybe he'll get into a groove and just start wrecking it. But I don't know. It's going to be tough for him.
Watch his son just told him, he said, "You got this."
Yeah.
And after his first round, he yelled at me going down the tunnel here. He said, "I got to go take a 20-minute power nap." I don't know if he got the nap, but I know those young ones are pulling for it.
Well, he's got the power. We got that. He needs 12. That's the number for Jock Peterson to represent Los Angeles in the finals. Albert Pujols. Well, there's one. Way back to left field and gone. Does this have enough oomph to left center? It's gone. Like we said, he's got the power. Oh, this is way back.
He found his stroke.
This needed Jayden. Could be, fool. 3. Oh. So, quite a start for Albert.
You got to give me one to Canton, because I got some buddies from Canton that are watching.
Well, we're going to be there in a few weeks. We'll drive it up.
You'll see him. He'll be there.
Well, this is at least as far as Cole. It's a little bit farther. All right.
Think he's focused?
Tell you what, too, the easy swing. There's nothing forced about this swing.
Now, under that one, head coach of the Angels, Evo is pitching.
Well, he terrorized this ballpark a lot as a St. Louis Cardinal. So one round in, he's starting to look real comfortable back in a box that he's been very comfortable in throughout his career.
What do you think, Jeremy? He going to get it?
Visiting player, 20.
Needs at least 8.
For 4 years. Lance Berkman at 23.
And I tell you what you notice about the Wiley veteran. When he started this round, he was on the back line. He got jammed a couple times, so what's he do? He's about 2 inches behind the line right now with his back foot.
And with that wall a little bigger, see, that's where the 12-foot wall is in left and left center. It's 8 feet to center and in right. And quite.
He's running out of energy. You can see it.
They count that one out there? I thought it was gone.
I thought it was too.
I'm going to quick switch you guys over. Pull up the list here. We got Diamondbacks on top, Nationals on the bottom. We'll randomize the list 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Royals on top, Astros on the bottom.
Who are you rooting for?
I'm rooting for Jock Peterson.
Because blood is thicker than your favorite player.
My favorite player is Jock Peterson because I just want Albert to use automatically to Jock.
Outstanding. Are you torn right now, though? Because I know you're how much you like Albert.
I like Albert so much, but to me, my heart is set on Jock.
Why do you like Albert so much?
Why do I like Albert? Because he was my player at the beginning, and I think Jock has it in the bag.
All right, so Jock has it in the bag. Chris, there's the prediction. Jock has it in the bag for the champ.
Champ knows both of these players so well, obviously. It's great to see him here. And Albert, we were right. That was a homer 5, so that became number 6. He's halfway to Jock Peterson, making less than half. Way back to left field. Gone. And another one, almost the same spot. Gone.
Got a little run going.
Drama building.
Yes, we do. Buck 40 to go, 4 to go to tie, 5 to go to win. It's a rainmaker to left.
Ooh, a little short.
One cloud too many. Buck 15.
Albert's having trouble with his bottom hand. That's the second time he's slipped it off the bottom of the bat. Yeah, you can see it right there. He's swinging with top hand right now. That's why everything's diving into the ground after contact.
He needs one right here.
Bottom glove must be wet from sweat or something because it's slippery.
He
See it
needs
there?
one badly.
Yeah, you can see that there. It would surprise me if he took it off here in a minute. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
He's all top hand right now. He's got no chance of lifting one.
You see him reaching for the middle of that, trying to get some tackiness from the pine tar. Hot and humid though.
He has the bonus, but you're only going to hit maybe 3, which Jock did in the bonus, did 3.
Well, with no bottom hand, all top hand swinging right now, he can't lift it.
Except he did
Not
there.
narrowing there because it was down.
But he ought to think about this pitch right here, because this is living on the edge. He's got 3 to go. Well,
Oh!
think about it. Way back to left.
Oh!
Pitch. He tried to go to center with it. All right, so we have bonus. He needs 2 to tie to force a shortened, a minute-and-a-half version.
Well, the good thing is now he can get a little pine tar as he gets ready for this bonus, or a little sticky stick there to get that stick. You see Nelson Cruz wiping him down right now because he saw the same thing. He wants to make sure he's got all that moisture off.
Yeah, Nelson's working on that left hand, left arm, getting the sweat off.
That's a drama build, boys.
This is going to be good.
He's going to get the
Now
sticky for him.
he's getting him some new gloves. It looks very surprising. Yeah, he got him surprising.
Home runs. Well, you got to shoot for a number in each case.
And it's been at a much quicker pace.
Yeah.
Give me a good 30 seconds here.
And these were not the original rule changes. Note to self. Oh, Albert Pujols hits one into left center. Back. Upper Decker.
I think his hand's dry.
Well, he needs 1 right here in 16 seconds. That's not
There
going
you
to.
go.
It's not going to do it, and it's not going to come down for a while.
Only gonna have one more.
Uh-oh, this better come down in a hurry. 3, 2, 1, throw it. It's too late.
Oh!
Smart would say, missed it by that much.
Oh man, now that
A minute left to go. When that glove got slipped.
So we got Anthony BRO with Jock Peterson and Elfie BUT with Todd Frazier in the finals.
The top hand did too much.
That was close.
So the Los Angeles representatives.
All right, here we go. 2012 SP Signatures number 23.
Well, that's a great scene. So we've reached the finals. Albert Pujols was game, but in the end, a little more game for Jock Peterson of the Dodgers against.
Yeah, that's true.
Todd Frazier.
Good luck, everyone.
In the first to hit first and win his bracket. And there's our cleanup man. He'll hit second. The last man to hit will be the hometown hero. Peterson, Frazier.
buckle up, boys. It's about to get
Gonna be
intense here in
great.
Queen
Lord.
City.
23-year-old rookie against the 29-year-old.
Got Glenn Perkins.
Big time this year. The
Going to the
final
Twins.
from the Queen City. Who will be king of the home run derby? We'll find out.
That is Steven, QUI.
The lightest, the smartest, the quietest. The sleekest, sexiest, baddest, safest, quickest, harshest, or nothing. The 2015 C-Class.
You got Royals, Indians, Red Sox, and Mariners.
Imagine a soldier the size of an insect. The ultimate secret weapon.
Eric.
I'm the future of war.
Got a David Murphy auto going to the Rangers. That is Alfie, BUT.
We have to stop him. New hero.
That's a nice one.
Lives. You can't stop.
Our last hit. A triple auto. Reed Brignac, Kyle Lobstein, and Wade Davis. It's a halfway decent one there. Going to the Rays. Tampa Bay, where you at?
Toxic mix of over 7,000 chemicals coming for you.
Hate when I can't find them. There it is. Steven, QUI picking up the triple. Brignac, Lobstein, and Davis.
You've been here like a week.
Nice hit, Steven.
The lightest, the smartest.
There you go. That'll do it for SP SIGs number 23.
Baddest, safest, quickest, harshest, or nothing. The 2000
Down to 6 teams left in Inception number 200. These are 15% off. Indians, Tigers, Brewers, Padres, Giants, and Mariners.
Check this out. Now, I think this controls the desk. Screw it.
It's doing it again! Get in here! They've got jumbo buns!
When you're tired, a great tasting 5-hour energy is just the
Hey, what's going on, Steven? Hiding in the background.
water. Precisely.
If we can get the Inception number 200 and the Inception random filled, I'll get you guys 15% off Immaculate Baseball.
Or sip it slow. Have you tried great tasting 5-hour energy lately?
6 teams left in number 200. 5 spots left in the random.
Dude, what are you doing?
What?
Casual Friday.
Anyway, I'm trying to get Tuesday.
What, this Tuesday? We'll probably...
From the producers of 30 for 30, bite-sized sports documentaries where you want and when you want. New episodes available online at ESPN.
Got our pack special running as well. If you buy some packs, if you get a player that's in the Derby, we'll award you some store credit based on what type of card it is. For a base card, you're going to get 50 cents. For a rookie, you're going to get $1. For an insert or a parallel, you'll get $2. For a mem hit, you'll get 15. For an auto, you'll get 25. And a rookie auto will get you $30. That is only for players that are in the Home Run Derby. Leave that up all night till we get off.
Peterson has hit the longest ones. 487, his biggest.
And is Jock Peterson the only guy that had to go
Little
first?
extra bonus if you happen to hit somebody in the Derby tonight.
Have something to go on.
Got 15% off Inception number 200. And then 15% off Immaculate Baseball waiting if we can fill up Inception 200 and Inception Random number 6.
The face of an organization you would think for years to come.
5 spots left in the random. 6 teams left in number 200.
Came up, he would always say to us, Todd Frazier would be the leader of this team. He said to that to us as a rookie.
Well, look, now they're cheering all the noms, obviously.
You know, I think Jock Peterson, he might relish in the fact that he's getting booed. I think he might say, you know what, I'm going to show you. Here's where you can go boo myself. Where's that swing?
Remember, he started slow a couple times, right?
Well, that's the thing with him. He can reel off 6 or 7 in a row.
All right, I bumped it up to 20% off Inception number 200. See if we can't get that one to close it out. 6 teams left.
And he is still at 0 in this round.
And you got to remember now, he just got done hitting not long ago.
Yeah.
And Todd Frazier's had a lot of rest, so you would think that the advantage would be to Frazier in this championship.
Oh, my.
Well, in front of that one, didn't he?
Carl called it light tower power, and he's got that. Now he gets on a little roll. That's 2. Now he gets on a little bigger roll. That's 3. Now he gets on an even bigger roll.
God, look at that shot.
That's 4. Now he's really rolling. 5.
6.
Yes!
His power is stunning.
6 in a row. So much for that slow start.
He thought about it.
He wanted a timeout there, but then he decided not to.
Now we may take. Well, so we got 2:15 to go, and he has hit. He has hit the farthest thus far in the competition, almost 500 feet. So the question before the house is, can he hit the longest home run ever in Cincinnati or anywhere? I mean, that would be a question. I mean, could he hit
I still want to know what's up with Berman's hair.
Well, he certainly can. His power, I think, to me, has been the most impressive in this.
Doesn't look right.
Derby so far, and everyone, for the most part, has put on a good show.
Do you know what the longest home run ever hit? It happened in Cincinnati. It happened a long time ago. It was done by Ernie Lombardi, a Hall of Famer, and he hit it out of Crosley Field. How far did it go? Well, it was longer than 500 or 600 feet. It went over the scoreboard and landed in a dump truck on the highway. And the ball rolled out 40 miles down the road. The longest home run ever hit is in Cincinnati by Ernie Lombardi. I don't know if Jock can do that, but maybe he could put it into a dump truck or onto a boat. Now he's got to get back on a roll. Okay, then. He must get ESPN at the plate. Oh, my, guys. Way back.
Jeez.
Oh, another one to right center. Back, and very quickly from 6 to 9.
To 10.
Had a bad start, though.
Yeah. He really put his foot in the bucket, didn't he?
Just a double.
Wow.
Jeez.
It jumps. I mean,
no seed is safe.
no, it just jumps off his bat.
Yeah, Magic Johnson's jumping out of his chair right now in L.A.
He took a walk right there. But he had time.
To go.
He hit it that high.
See, and I think that's the advantage. Not the advantage, but going first now, you have a little bit of context.
Did that go?
No.
But this is
Waving
going.
it off. That one's going.
This is way
Dude's got some serious power.
to center field. Does it find the grass? Not quite.
And if this was the first round, you might be rushing, but he understands that, hey, 12's a pretty good number. I'm getting tired. I've got to make sure I have a couple more good swings.
And I have a bonus coming. Just 20 seconds to go now. This one is headed way out there.
Now, in case you didn't know, he's the leadoff hitter.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Yeah. Set the table.
Yeah.
If the table's in the restaurant in center field.
Oh my God.
Not quite the buzzer beater, but we have bonus time and we got 13. And that's quite a number. Of the winners, Todd Frazier had 14 in the first round to beat Prince.
Haney's still got 30 seconds. Watch him tack on 3 more.
10, 12, 10. Peterson at 13. So he's at a pretty darn good number right here. We've seen Todd Frazier come on late. But how
487.
Peterson, he got 3 in the bonus round the last time.
You know, and it seemed like in the middle there, he was getting a little tired. And John talked about him, this being a quick turnaround from his last round, so you would have thought a little fatigue. He seemed to gain a little second wind at some point in there.
All right, 30 seconds of the bonus round, and then he'll sit down with his number, and Todd Frazier will get a chance.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Way back there. Gone. And under that one, pitch a little up. Gotta land. There's the sign.
Good. Nope.
Got time for maybe one more right here.
He'll get
This is it.
15.
Oh, it was too quick. That's like the 3/4
Fire!
right?
Yes.
I thought he was going to get it. Inception 200 is down to 4 teams. See if we can't get that full before 10:30. You got Tigers, Padres, Giants, and Mariners. Those are 20% off. 4 teams left.
Big man, but easy power. Great bat lag. And a big bat, as we've talked about, probably the heaviest.
So it comes down to this. Todd Frazier, Elfie. We got bonus of $30 store credit on the line. Jock's way out front with 14 homers for Anthony BRO. Todd Frazier got a little bit of work to do.
Jock Peterson told me earlier that just being in the home run derby was a dream come true. How does the reality compare to that dream?
It's pretty crazy. I'm really tired right now, but it's a dream come true, you know? Like, this is something you watch as little kids, and to actually have it happen and I'm here, it's kind of surreal. But I'm just fortunate that I have the opportunity, and J-Wash here came all the way out just to help out, and it's fun just to spare a special time with that.
All right, so you're sitting at 14. You're going up against the crowd favorite and Todd Frazier. How you feeling?
I don't know. He's pretty good, so at least I make him work for it if he wins. So I'm just excited. It's been an awesome experience no matter what, and well done, Cincinnati.
Boomer, back to you.
Very well said, Jock. Thank you, Nicole. The hometown hero about to stride to the plate with everybody behind him.
How about this crowd right now?
And he's going to be ousting the two-time champ. Moving on to the finals. It's Todd Frazier.
This is going to be pretty good right here.
On July 15th, it's Amazon Prime Day. One day only. With more
4 teams left in Inception 200. They're 20% off. Tigers, Padres, Giants, and Mariners.
Prime Day, July 15th. Straight Talk is a special.
Can we close it up?
In your own phone. 5 gigs of 4G LTE data for just $45 a month. It's a plan with muscles. 5 gigs of muscles. Get more 4G LTE data on America's largest and most dependable networks. Straight Talk Wireless, only at Walmart.
You pay your auto insurance premium every month on the dot. You're like the poster child for paying on time. And then one day, you tap the bumper of a station wagon. No big deal until your insurance company jacks up your rates. You freak out. What good is having insurance if you get punished for using it? Hey, insurance companies, newsflash. Nobody's perfect.
For drivers with accident forgiveness, Liberty Mutual won't raise your rates due to your first accident. See car insurance in a whole new light. Liberty Mutual Insurance.
How do you guys feel about this format? You like it better? Rather the 10 outs? Definitely sped it up.
Loaded up, off to state. Hijinks, tailgates, starter, midsize, family cruising. Now in the garage, something new. Reminds you of when you were you.
In the Outback, bold isn't just a word. It's how we approach everything. Hurry in for our new wood fire grilled flat iron steak. Or Victoria.
Yeah, I do too.
Starting at just $13.99.
It's almost like it's too long though. Kind of probably a good thing that they bumped it from 5 minutes down to 4 minutes. Did you see they just did that today? Scared the rain was going to wash it out, so they tried to speed it up a little bit. Probably a good thing because they're looking awfully tired by the end of that 4 minutes. I don't think anybody has not gotten the bonus time, so that's 4.5 minutes of straight swinging that bat as hard as you can.
New episodes available online at ESPN.com.
I gotta go grab some water real quick, guys. I'll be right back. 4 teams left in Inception 200. They are 20% off. Let's quick close that one out.
Welcome back, everybody, to the 2015 Gillette Home Run Derby, presented by Head & Shoulders. Tonight we stand united in the fight against cancer with our partners Stand Up to Cancer. Please join Major League Baseball, MasterCard, ESPN, and the entire baseball family in standing up to cancer. And please go to standuptocancer.org to find out how you can help today. 2.5 hours in, nobody's left because the hometown hero, Reds third baseman Todd Frazier, is the last to bat. In the finals, he needs 14 to beat Ty and 15 to beat John Peterson. In his first 2 swings against his brother Charlie have not gone out, but swing number 3 will put him on the board.
Right before he stepped to the plate, Frank Sinatra was playing on the loudspeaker. The New Jersey native loves him some Frank Sinatra.
Well, old Blue Eyes would like that one.
Do it, Cole.
Trying to fly it to the moon is what he's trying to do. Oh, the other way. Whoa! The other way! That's the main drive right there! 4! That's the main highway! 5! That's the main highway! 6! Oh no, not quite! We jumped it! I thought the crowd could buy me 10 feet. Underneath that one. Timeout. Good timeout.
A little flurry there to get him within striking distance. A little fatigue, I think, sets in. Perfect timing.
Oh, I'm back.
So
what's happening to him?
Visit with Pedro, and it's a family affair.
It is, Chris, and it's about. There's been a lot of people on Twitter who are reacting that, hey, Charlie Frazier is throwing the ball a little before they land, and the reason is Todd is yelling out to him, throw it, throw it. Now, this is what you get when you get your big brother. I asked Charlie about it. He's like, are you kidding me? Do you know how much grief I'm going to catch if I'm not paying attention to him? So there is something going on there, Chris.
Well, you know what, Pedro? If you watch, when he started this round, and right now the timeout, he's got 5 balls in his hand. He is ready to go.
He's absolutely, because he doesn't want to get the wrath of Todd.
15. He's got to hit 10 in maybe, 3 minutes.
Decapitated his brother, right?
But another thing holding a lot of balls has enabled him to do 36 swings each of his first 2 rounds. At the time was the most.
He's struggling.
He's got to get on a big roll right here, or else Jock Peterson's our champion.
That's going to be under it a little much. We're 2 minutes to go.
There's one.
No. Not high enough. .45 to go.
4 teams left in Inception 200, guys. Let's close it up. 20% off. We got Tigers, Padres, Giants, and Mariners. Help me out. Close her up. He's closing in.
Timeouts are unbelievable, aren't they? Low. Buck 15 to go. He needs 5. Now he needs 4.
We got drama. We got drama. Oh!
That might have to go.
That's going.
Good. Out, not down. Under a minute to go. Peterson's at 14. Frazier has 11. Make it a dozen. It's a dozen.
He got an extra win. It looked like he's got a second win.
Now he's got to gather himself. He's got plenty of time now. He's in the driver's seat. He's just got to control the situation.
This is way back. Back, back. It's a baker's dozen.
Under control.
And here's the next one. As soon as that lands for this time. Oh. Does this have enough oomph? Not quite.
It's going to be close.
He's got one more swing. One more swing for the bonus.
Draws, pitch, draws, pitch and regulation.
Oh. That was so close.
He got hot at the end. He looked like he was done. But you know as well as any of us, when that crowd gets going, you get an extra jolt of adrenaline late.
I got it. We're standing over here behind a desk.
30 seconds to hit.
4 teams left in Inception 200, guys. Dang, that's pretty cool. So, Alfie, B-U-T, you're taking home the $30 bonus prize. Get that in your account right now. There you go, Alfie. Taking home the $30 bonus prize. 4 teams left in Inception 200, guys. Help me close that one up. Keep eBay customers happy. Get this thing to break on time. I thought Jock had that. Thought he got way too far out in front. Yes, it is, Alfie. Flavor Frage. Congrats, Alfie. That 30 bucks is in your account.
Wasted no time in the bonus round. An absolute bullet. And his brother Charlie Frazier. Yeah. Now it's time for the Frazier brothers to celebrate.
In 1998, he was a Little League World Series champion. In 2015, he's the Home Run Derby champion. What a show and what a night by all of our backs.
Can we get that Inception 200 closed up, guys? 4 teams left. They are 20% off.
Pedro Gomez with the chance.
Tigers, Padres, Giants, and Mariners.
Jody Allen, General Manager for Head & Shoulders, and Sonia Fife for the second straight year, General Manager of Gillette. Thank you very much for being here. What a tremendous presentation tonight. And I'm also joined by Chief Baseball Officer for Major League Baseball, Joe Torre, who is here to make a special presentation once again.
What a show. What a show. I want you to help me congratulate your hometown hero, Todd Frazier.
He kind of... He doesn't strike me as a baseball player, you know? He doesn't look like the typical baseball player, I guess. His swing, his approach, it looks all out of whack. But yeah, he's definitely swinging a hot stick this year.
Todd, there is probably no more special moment than doing something like this in front of the hometown crowd. What does it feel like for you to do that here?
Hey, Cincinnati, we brought it on, baby. About time. So
20% off the last 4 teams.
Did you feel any sense of pressure? Because it is the hometown crowd, and you saw from the moment you were introduced the way the crowd reacted.
Nah, there's no pressure here with these fans, man. They enjoy it, they love you, and I love them back.
All right, well, how much pressure was your brother under to throw strikes to you?
Hey, the format fitted well because I like hitting bad balls and I hit them out. So, bottom line is he just throws it and I just swing, and that's what our motto was today. So it's pretty cool.
Todd, how much did losing last year push you to get to this moment right now?
Okay, Blake. You know, it pushed me a lot. I want to get back here and.
Yeah, he stunk it up last year, didn't he? He only hit like 2.
Get ready for the year. I'm just glad it was in Cincinnati and they can enjoy this win with me.
Todd, thank you very much. Chris, back to you.
All right, Paige. All right, Todd. Thank you so much. And fellas, we take a look at our DraftKings King of the Night, Todd Frazier, Cincinnati Reds third baseman.
He was on with us in SportsCenter and talked to us. He didn't come on all shots. I hope I have a good show.
2 teams left in Inception 200.
And I firmly believe that the crowd helped him in the last bit of that last round. And then, of course,
Where
in the
we
bonus
at?
32nd round with only one swing.
We've got Padres and Mariners.
Better person in a better city than Cincinnati. Great baseball town.
So here it is. Todd Frazier coming on late in every round. Made it through, and he won it home. We won't forget this one for a long time. Neither will his parents. Who were with
2 teams left. Padres, Mariners. They are 20% off, don't forget. Get that filled up. Break that Inception.
Actually, out there, Jappy's coming over right now, and my other son Charlie here. We're so proud of all of them. We're just, you know, it's a great format that they followed here because it really helped out. But boy, he just came through. It's unbelievable. There's not more we can say, right?
And this crowd, to be a part of it on this night, what does that mean?
Nice, Eric.
To listen to that support for a child.
It's kind of numbing. I'm probably going to really phantom all of this until tomorrow morning, but right now I can pinch myself. It's really.
They got a whole line of people taking pictures, and then the one idiot in the back standing behind him, ruining everybody's picture. Really, dude? Get out of there.
Well, during tonight's event,
Nice.
Head and Shoulders, and that
So we're good. I'm going to go ahead and start a fresh video. Be right back with Inception, number 200.
So we had all sorts of folks working this home run derby, and we were glad we did. Crucky and Aaron, I mean, you played here at Cincy, you get it,
Yeah, this
and you picked them. So way to go.
Yeah, and, you know, but I think more importantly, the game of baseball, these young stars that we have who showed up for this thing and performed well. Jock Peterson, Todd Frazier. You wish Stanton could have been here. You wish Bryce Harper, Mike Trout, but they didn't. But the game of baseball is in great shape. But Albert showed, don't count out the old guys just yet.
And I don't know if we've ever seen across the board a better show. Everyone had a pretty good showing tonight.
Yeah.
Every round was competitive.